and Mike Salomon, based on the original film by Kim Obanda, returns this October to November 2025 in Arate, Ateneo.
Yes!
With an all-new cast, with an all-new staging, and with... Ano ba all-new? Marami. At malalaman natin yan, maya-maya lamang.
Yes, and finally, I know guys na pinaka-hinihintay niyo na po ito. Finally, makikilala na po natin ang mga bar bashings ng 2025. If you just enjoyed that opening performance, wag po kayo mag-alala. Marami pa po kaming baon na performances para sa inyong lahat. Plus, of course, you do have the chance to enjoy the booth activities, win exclusive prizes, at para sa mga kakarating lang po, just register at the booth right over there po sa likod and come join us.
Yes, and speaking of inviting people, kayo pong nasa second floor. Ano pong ginagawa niyo dyan?
Pwede po kayo bumaba dyan. Halika po. Please join us here.
Ang dami pang space para sa inyo dito. Punta lang po kayo. This is for free. Free for everyone. Okay. At mukha naman na ready na ang ating cast.
Super ready na nga.
Uber talented cast. Settle na yan sila. Proctor muna kami ngayon. Naka-proctor mode kami tonight. First things first. Ready na po ba kayo makilala ang ating cast?
Yes!
Yes.
Ready na po ba kayo makilala ang ating cast?
Kilala na natin sila. Kilalanin na natin sila. First things first, please state your name and your role. Unahin natin ikaw.
Hello po. Ako po si Omar Odin. I play Josh Zuniga in Bar Boys the Musical.
Hi everyone, Benedict Ramos playing Eric Vicencio.
Good evening po. My name is Alex Diaz and I'll play Chris Abuelo.
Magandang gabi po. Magandang gabi po. Ako po si Jerome Canlas and I'll be playing Toran Garcia.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sheila Francisco and I play Justice Hernandez.
Hello po, ako si Sean Crisman and I'll be doing Attorney Victor Cruz and Male Professors.
Hello po, ako po si Max Everett. Cover po ako for Justice Hernandez, for Boss Mama Agatina, Female Professor, and others.
Ako po si Natasha Cabrera at ako po ang inyong magiging female professor and
I'm Julian Mendoza. I'll be playing the role of Papi. Ako po si Nor Domingo and I'm playing Attorney Maurice Carlson.
Magandang gabi po, I'm Sheena Villarmino and I'm part of the female ensemble. Hello, my name is Dippy Arceo and I am part of the ensemble.
Hello, kumusta? Ako po si Papel and I'm part of the ensemble.
Hi everybody, my name is Elian Dominguez. I'm part of the ensemble and the George Zuniga understudy. Hello po, I'm Adi Valenzuela. I'm also part of the ensemble.
Hello, I'm Kim Sungdi, I'm part of the ensemble.
Hello everybody, I'm Ian Pangalina. I'm going to play the Chris Abuelo cover.
Hello, I'm Gio Latita. I'm part of the ensemble.
Hello po, I am John Cortez, part of the ensemble.
Hello, my name is Kirk and I'm also part of the ensemble.
Hello everyone, my name is Rico Santos and I'm part of the ensemble as well.
Hello po, Daniel Wesley po, part of the ensemble.
Part of the ensemble.
Hello, I'm Rob Zumar Dagut. I'm part of the ensemble.
Hello po, AC Alden, I'll be your female swing.
Hello, I'm Ace Paulius and I'm the male swing and one of the dance captains.
Hello po, ako po si Jello Lantaco, also part of the ensemble.
Hello rin po, ako po si Denise Casillo, also part of the ensemble. And we are your
Andale, Bar Beshies Class of 2025. Okay, practice. Bar Beshies Class of 2025. Isa pa, Denise. Go.
Isa pa. And we are your
Bar Beshies Class of 2025!
mas pinarami, mas pinasaya at mas pinalaki ng naman itong cast na ito. Right, Kuya Jello?
are never ready,
Only prepare!
laban!
Yes, kaya simulan na natin ang ating class recitation!
Oh, sige.
Alright.
Sige.
Para sa ating unang katanungan.
Ano ba yung una nating katanungan? Ito, syempre, sabi natin kanina, all new cast. So itong question na ito ay sana para sa ating all new cast.
Yes.
Oh.
Kamusta ba ang pakiramdam na maging bahagi ng Bar Boys The Musical 2025? Any volunteers from our new cast?
Meron po bang gustong sumagot? Kung hindi, magtatawag ka.
Overwhelming and amazing kaayo! Yes! Kasi ang dami, may mga Bisaya dito na represent, may taga Baguio represent,
Yes.
all over the world represent! Yes! Tsaka grabe yung energy kasi not only to the cast but also the creatives. Grabe yung wisdom na nabibigay nila sa amin. Maraming salamat po sa aming mga creatives.
Yes, thank you, Sheena.
ng Bar Boys. So I was amazed nung napanood ko, ay ngayon hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala na I'm part of the new set of people na magsistage ng Bar Boys this time. Kasi sobrang ganda ng opportunity to collaborate with such talented people. We bring out the best in each other. And talagang promise, pitch me, I can't believe I'm... Yes, pitch
Porotin natin siya. Okay na.
Yeah, okay na. But still, I can't believe I'm part of this, sabi niyo mga all-new staging, bigger, better.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Elman.
Oh.
Nakaka-pressure kasi yung previous ensemble nanalo ng best ensemble sa last batch. Bihan sila talaga. Yun. And ngayon, parang ngayon ako, bago ako sa whole theater and grabe, nakaka-pressure siya in a good way na kailangan namin galingan and nararamdaman ko lahat kami ngayon talagang nilalaban namin para, alam mo yun, maging best on something kami. Sige nga, patingin nga nung nilalaban, paano yung lumalaban? Sige, laban mo! Dapat ganyan sa rehearsal score, ha?
Makakalaban talaga itong si Kurt. Thank you so much, Kurt.
Baka may isa pa dito.
Yes. Can we have one more? Ang garabi! From the Lord perspective, like, gusto ko muna bigyan natin ng isang malakas na palakpakan yung mga Bar Boys. Special natin! Kaya I'm super proud na nakasama ako sa prod kasi feeling ko nabuhay yung mga espiritu namin kakalor. Nandito ako na play! Oo. And, I mean, lahat sa akin bago kasi kung familiar tayo sa Baguio, iba yung kultura namin sa taas. So, like, ang kultura ng mga kasama ko dito is very diverse and na-absorb ko siya. Like, ang dami kong natutunan sa inyong lahat and thank you so much. Yun lang, like, very small lang. Mabuhay tayong lahat.
Mabuhay tayo.
Mabuhay tayo!
Mabuhay sila nasa taas. Tayo nasa ilalim.
Maraming salamat, amin.
Sige, one word lang. Zuniga! 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 Oh, tama na, okay na yun.
Siguro.
One word lang. One word lang.
Frison. F-R-I-S-S-O-N.
Kaka-dictionary niya lang.
Oh, kaka-dictionary ko lang nun. It means the mix of the thrill and the mix of fear and excitement.
Wow! I love that!
Parang papunta na ng prison yun eh. Pero okay, thank you for the new word, Mr. Zuniga.
Thank you so much.
Mr. Vicencio.
Matapang. Matapang. Ang tingin ko paano ko sinabi. Matapang.
Ay! Matapang nga naman si Mr. Vicencio!
Mr. Abueva.
Audacious. We have the audacity to work hard and to leave it all.
One word lang.
One word lang. Okay na yun.
One word lang. Maraming salamat, Mr. Abueva. Of course, Mr. Garcia.
Nagliliyab.
Nagliliyak. Grabe naman yan siya. Thank you so much. Meron po bang gustong dumagdag mula sa ating OG cast?
Yes.
Meron po ba?
Energetic.
Okay. Thank you, Tita Sheila. Meron ba? Meron pa po ba? ba?
Meron pa po ba?
Meron yan eh. Last time. Oo.
Can we have our, ayan.
Si Papa